Just got it unstuck. Oh my god. Alright, let's talk this car. What has happened? You're gonna see. I'll give you a hint. It's not pretty. I've torn this thing down. The motor isn't worth saving. You'll see a little bit more about that in a minute. I'm not mad. You know what? I take this as a learning experience because I did a whole lot of things when I did the work that I probably shouldn't have. Or more the fact that I didn't do a lot of things I probably should have. So, it's what it is. Intake manifolds off. Trying to see down into the cylinders. Can't see anything. Head's gonna have to come off. Never done this. Gonna give it a red hot crack. See how we go. This is what happens when you work on your own cars. You pull them apart, you put them back together, you do something wrong, and you blow it up. Good fun. Moment of truth. About to find out, is my motor fucked or not? Everything is ready for the head to come off. The head is ready to come off. It's just a matter of taking it off now. Got the rockers off. Really just not even excited to pull this apart because I know what I'm about to walk into and I'm not excited for it. But let's keep going. Okay, off it comes. Just got it unstuck. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. There's my problem. Huh. That's a new motor. Alright, here is the motor torn down. We have one piston, two piston. We don't have a third. Basically, what I reckon's happened, I wasn't aware and I didn't check about the torque specs on supercharger. I think I've torqued it down way too hard. The rotors in the supercharger have grinded up when I tried to start it and sent metal straight through the motor. Stuffing said piston. Have a look in there. It's pretty nice down there. I think I can see a bit of piston. Yeah. Long story short is she's cooked, but that's okay. The motorized motor is rocking up any day now. Gonna do a build on that. Why not? Because we're gonna need to put a bit of time into this thing, I reckon. But that's what I want to ask you guys about. What should I do with this? Obviously, we're gonna put another L67 in. I'm thinking cam. I'm thinking potentially intercooler, because that's the best way this thing's gonna breathe. But the big thing I'm thinking involves this, the auto shifter. I say we piss it off. I know it's a process to manual swap these, but going to the effort of swapping this to a manual, I didn't realize the video cut out. What I was trying to say is going to the effort of manual swapping the car. I know that the GetTrack motors can't handle it. Sorry, the GetTrack gearboxes, I know they can't handle it. Can the T5s handle it? Do you know? Or am I gonna have to try and figure out a way to put a T56 behind it? Because I know that would be a process and a costly one that is too. Tell me what you know, anyone with some knowledge, please. Thank you. I want your guys' opinions. You tell me what you want with this car. I'll take it all into consideration. Obviously, there's a few goodies on this car. Got the air intake box. There's the bigger throttle body. We've got pulleys, pacemakers, high flow cats. All that stuff's going to be reused onto the new motor. But what else can we do? Because if the motor's got to come out, may as well go in a lot better. And that's why I think a big thing would be to do the gearbox, manual swap it, chuck better diff gears in, have this thing rip. That is where I'm at with the car. I think I'm just gonna some shit. I'm not gonna think about it, I'm just gonna fucking do it. I've got some money to blow. May as well spend it on this. May as well make her all nice again. This is gonna be a bit of a process. So if you guys want videos on it, tell me, please. Please tell me. Whoever's got ideas, whoever's got knowledge on the ideas I have, or just knowledge at all, let me know. Comment down there. We're gonna do it. We're gonna rebuild it. It's gonna be good, it's gonna be fun. When it's done, it'll be a big learning curve, that's for sure. Because if I fuck that up, imagine what I'm gonna fuck up with doing this. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing else to add to that right now. Kind of just brainstorming, seeing where I'm at, seeing how much money things are gonna cost. I need to figure out the best way to manual swap this. Anyone who knows anything about manual swapping the L67, please tell me. I know the get track, it's not even worth doing. Is the T5 worth it? Do I go T56? If I go T56, how? What's the best way? Someone tell me, please. That's all for this. We're doing some shorts on a bit of progress here and there. Bye.